Sana Bible ne se. Ting na ye kan bom ama na ye fe. Enka ne talk kwa de bia nka area ho benya bi ato. Edi. Na so ne fe ne Adom TV eye. Na obeba bi ne nyina ka bom ne ye di ama na ye fe. Ah, wo hwe no me. O presenters a wo yada wo nyina wa round no mo be interacted in komo, twitwa pictures, some videos and ne fe no. So on. Tenya se uniska de koto fufuo da bi. Na sa wo do Adom TV nti na Adom TV ye program sa wo beba na ye kan ho abom na Easter no ya prepare na bibia so atima ye fine ti ano so na megina na me dia ma akwa ba na no pay dia ba agokansie e wo Badwam so me ka kire o say ya na nsam ne doso de se fata sa wo te ne boabo no ne ba kete wo sinye no rebia na gamepackgames.com and omo ken one pay den some na bro gamepackgames.com your website no a okọ agodiska eno e wa ma wa con star 946 hash star 946 hash no what is dia go but mana app no so bit ma download your app store and our play store na dia go phone so na de bia ba bia tibia na watimi atwa bi no wadi me pa twa no pa no nkron awia no ndumi no anwumre no nsia and prince in a day and I bet me a fast dia this dia go bottom mo ti on pe gamepackgames.com am okay one open and some na dia bro Sergio Manu Chop and party bo twa me producers ya na wakaide na kasa ka kejwa ne ho Eric Asiedu Bode ba shase area fi the various leagues across Europe. Said this weekend a bounce back. Nyasam keto akra ba shase area fi the EPL a big game of course with Arsenal and in Manchester City. But the interest in the fixtures no esi etie. This weekend oko EPL ni mo na Nyasam keto akra yenhwe EPL games no tempa so na ye hu se na hu sam esi etie Newcastle and West Ham United at the pem so ele kick off for China. League of Yana won some year Bournemouth and Everton, Chelsea, Burnley, Northern Forest, Crystal Palace, Sheffield United, and Fulham, Tottenham Hotspur, and Luton, Aston Villa, and Wolves. Now Brentford and Manchester United, Brentford Obufia, were stubborn power. Now Sunday, Liverpool and Brighton, now face to the Manchester City and the Arsenal ball, and I have 4:30. Where games at the Basel or EPL anymore. Big games. Now, it was a battle of almost one and wide. And the Arsenal and Man City game, no, and we better than Pioneer. Young call La Liga, name in La Liga, so on some here. Or Spain now, La Liga, Cadiz, the Granada, or more ball and Anumri, and of course, Ukupimo, na Hetafe, and Sevilla, and Omode Bueni, Ukupimo, the other fixtures, UDA Maria, and Osasuna Valencia, and Mallorca, and the Bueni Nafi, Barcelona, and Las Palmas, if international break never until it's a Odi Guswa. Now I careful, Odi Guswa, you're careful, Papa, is a bit more for us. Is he really saying? Aha, see, we see. Be careful. Settle the Vigo and then via Vallecano, Girona, and a Rebetis, Stubborn Girona, Pa, Mo Bonaquasida, Deportivo Alaves, Real Sociedad, Real Madrid, Athletic Club, Bilbao, Iñaki Williams will be in action. Tishan South me. Real Madrid, Athletic Club, Bilbao. Now, Villarreal, Atletico Madrid, and a Buenos so big game power, Spain, Shannon Sosa, Flamengo Pimo, Italian Serie A matches Bebaso. Then, of course, in the German Bundesliga, then the French League. Where games are how about Basel this weekend. You don't want some so at the Aberdeen Pim Biana so. So we who send the games, never Cornwatia, say who send the dynamics, the city in Nano. Watching Yamia to my better say, no do empire our sports arena so what on TV so. Almost say the last 2 weeks, I came on Pacho. Yeah, twice this weekend, a new sports show Adom TV. I introduce you to watch 10:30 better na sanya European games ni mu yi amwati asia Philippa ni adiadia eno ne sana nsam so esi special preview and sports show anya sam keto akwanta no asam no star 946 asha code wa ho ehia pass say tunim star 946 asha e ba cho me kan fo e de amao ene anopa yemra fina yemra de yakoso ewo efie the newly appointed board and my crowd so folk beto dwamrofo bi ekire o madwen won no ba ko wo mu akasa ora vision so do tai and watch mo this way huna mo ade eba aye new board no.
The vision that the board has had is to build our academy, as I said, once we build the hotel at Pobiman and then convert one of the the pitches into a mini stadium. Our next step is to build the stadium, our own branded stadium, a mere 20,000 capacity. like any modern football club. So that is, once we've done with this, that's our next target, and that's where we want to take Accra Hearts of Oak. We don't want to be victims of when you go to any club in the world, any serious club, any club with a history, the stature of Hearts of Oak, they all have these things. And this is definitely building our own stadium will be the next step in the attainment towards the attainment of preeminence, not only in
Right, for instance, so a member of the new board of directors, Abomudin, na film beko Congress, and AGM, no mako. Hwese kwambia so mbeji atumwa etebedi ne so achi ahwam se the stadium ne academy pana e wo mani so na bibia ti mepo bi ma ho de okọ a adwuma ekoso ho ya kono se akono kama na yenko mu nua na mo metema kuma asasa ne koroko ho kuma ase na pressure da ho sanse prosper nete ogum one coach when pa de ma koroko say pressure na so winning back ne ade IMC no e de kitasho nko e na ama coach ne so omo hwe ne kakra onko so amu adwuma na e kakra na mfa de na fe wan ba ni mani ho ya de omonyo madwen sa mo pamono
ani ma tim ne ko ne nkoye coach na dimo ye ne nkoye sika kan bi waku adimo ne se na ya ke man sa ma biemo ake sa mamba na ya wa na wo company so the players ba say ke player ko fo mo ba ye wo player no ba sa ne bo tim no ada bani bani ayo ogu bani bani ayo utimi afatim ne ko tu one ko fatim ne tu one ko kuma sa kan to ko kuma apem baba ene ma koye ogum ontu me san kwase amara ye bani bani ayo we teacher ni bani bani ayo mo kwase amara de ni se teacher for de kwase amara de wona ho ye best if emwa ade we ko na ye adwuma o bank ye adwuma police ye adwuma soldier ye adwuma ene coaching ko na ye adwuma nti eno aso aye de coach ye kan asem ye open na wo ye utumi tra na ye share utumi tra kuma san na ye share be show
Right. Koroko fans being some more to Ghana no. After say I'm see the better just some more Thai coach na chi. Be na gidi said abi the penifo ye no chama aduma ahoma na wa say obi anto ye. Mama ne nkwansa na wagu team no. The fans ne be e kana no. Na ye feel en copy more the LLC the man just ended Accra 2023 African Games in Wasam and American ura the Dr. Ofosu Asaro na LLC chairman on the summer to dwa afa emwa amfi Africa penifo mo na hwe Olympic ne so amfa mom to mo na de ne den na ban so bo mo a mutimi organize games no
Maybe say African Union Confesika poti yabre ye disika no and ye pese do on the mount. Eya no kre obi abakasa bia onim ignorance. Okay. Host nation be to African Union ka. Okay. Host nation una we send disika ma African Union. As a host nation in the protocol agreement sign a call parliament rectifying. I say ma African Union $1.8 million. You need the host nation. African Union faka premeshemu.
But osan be dia osan tueska.
Yes.
And no need mutu ya.
And no, we are supposed to do that. That is the rule. We have to shift away from this arrangement because host nation here overburdened. Host nation here overburdened with all this. Unlike football, this and the one problem no say you catch up, so then get a marketing wing and market the product so that millions come out host nation. It's better Ghana 40 years.
Right, Accra 2023 LOC chairman Dr. Kwaku Ofosu Asare then somebody here to I don't know Shannon Somame say gamepackgames.com I'm can where some idea bro game pack I want to be this go button this weekend games it's hweso na ebia o vimni ho but o vim ha number bi be battery bia no oko game pack for a pick 1 and pick 4 one number bi what him say o hwe babia Easter no number next sim abetimi e dey afa ho diska and as hwe Easter no e days no ma Easter days ni na no e fiti ne e ko china ko Sunday ni we yim na de simple no diska go bottom gamepackgames.com game pack star 946 na what yes manasa ko Play Store and App Store download the app no na what me do ho agim full party basso on the 1st of April when him wan sana full party ne kra no and na yen kwa train no ahyase enra and ye fee hanamo ye hyase kwa kwan so and na okopi mu wo bomya hotel for no so the kids soccer league no e koso and of course and na we programs a wodo be koso Adom Park and then you feeder mo so be ba so ma Adom kase nyina be baba so Adom Park and ochana anopa so ya toa so ochana pa Kwa Easter Games or Bomia Sotef no so working competition ahodo obekɔ so anya asem keto a na no edan chen so a ɔkyerɛ nwumre no cruise stage Bambala Pass Adom Park ene musicians ahodo e dia time a anya asem keto akra amra do eba and of course Raskuku musicians you're surprised so the amount and Coast Finest KO7 so performing live at Adom FM stage in so nti ka hye no so sa na efa emayen nti e no asem no e be gina so na ye de si ene anopa yi Sergio Manucho Bernard Padi Botwe me producers ya na wokai de nankasa kakejware ho Erica Siedu Bodini ye de apomodi won sambe to aso fiam akwata makro and of course ye de aka to aso koso a na hwebedwam